Zen. Maui County, dudes.
You know where you can.
Oh man. Right here. Look at this little thing. Very good.
If my kids were ever sad, I'd be like, go outside. Yeah.
Yo, we were in Kihei to here, like, it is good vibes.
Yeah, that shit was just dried, like, stinging heat. And the other one's up in the clouds. Which one of the big
It's really high.
Yeah.
Really, it's amazing.
Hello, hello.
Pretty much. Man, it must be epic biking this.
It is.
Yeah. Right on. This is so cool.
You know where you can find me, by the lake under my tree. Under my tree, that's where I can just breathe and smoke me some weed. You got a funny way of reminding us what's already inside. And that's why.
Hawaii Ihe? Indigenous villages here?
Yeah, that's what it's saying.
Damn, that's crazy. Like, right here along the riverbank.
Yeah, dude, it's wild.
Forest, smoking on the serving, got my camera fully loaded. With my homies.
First time Lilikoy?
Oh, dude. Is that what you eat?
Yeah, you eat the gush.
It's like a sour pumpkin.
Yeah, it's like homework.
Wait, how do I? Can I use my knife? Very sour. I don't know that I like it that much,
It's okay.
but I'm trying to experience it.
It's honestly incredible.
Now, inhale, recognize where I'm at now. Smoking that loud, look what I found.
We're
You
hiking.
know where you can.
Many people have put their offerings upon this rock. We just play stars. Wow. Honest, guys. What do y'all gotta say to the people back home about this little spot?
You gotta come.
I like your simplicity, man. What do y'all want to say to people?
I wish I had a harness to hold Jason on.
Yeah, this is a cliff.
Yeah, it's my exact.
Suddenly it's easier to breathe. I'ma roll up my leaf like indigenous chief. Connecting with the elements. Ain't
Look at this guy.
It's awesome. Gorgeous.
Nice, bro.
stay golden. Out the comfort zone, jumping in the unknown, yeah. Set sail, yeah, we never gonna back down. Prevail, cause we making our own path now. Inhale, recognize we're...
You really gotta see this, man. Appreciate life and the people in
Yes, we
it.
balance beaming tree trunks. I'ma mosey over to the...
You have a deja vu right now?
Yeah.
With this tree?
Yeah, dude.
Oh. That's good vibes, man. Alhamdulillah. Cherish all life, y'all. Lots of love. Peace.